The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oregon, or 7 miles east of Toledo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Sandusky, Port Clinton, Oregon, Oak Harbor, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Bayview, Rocky Ridge, Harborview, Reno Beach, Williston, and Bono. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Ottawa.
I can't believe I just caught that. One EOM tone? What the hell? Is the NOAA weather radio down? What the heck?